Alright YouTube, Cmrc here. I'm gonna show you kind of an unboxing. I already opened it. Okay. It's from eBay, of course. Same seller as always. Lumidave 35. So mostly all my packages now have been for the E-maxx, which is right next to you, right next to the camera right now. Bubble wrap. I already opened it, but these are some turnbuckles, front and rear, and some all four drive shafts. So here's some are taller than the others. The shorter ones are for the front, so that's kind of interesting. As you can see, those two on the right are for the front, and on the left are for the rear. And they also have these long, I guess you could call them pivot balls, or just, I don't know, something like that, which go into the hubs or the axle carriers. They're pretty long there, and the rear ones have kind of an even one, as you can see, even on both sides, and the front one is uneven. So yeah, that's that. And then these super beefy axles right here, with the boots installed already. These I got, like I showed you, from Lumidave 35. So the only reason I got these was because they were different sizes, and they will now fit on the new on the new axle carriers that I'm looking for here, and not the old ones. So here's another box with stuff. Open that up. So these will now fit into these new ones right here, and not the older ones. Here's the older one. Okay, pretty dirty. And then in the new one, it will fit pretty much perfectly. And these now allow the 17mm, because on the older ones it only allows a 14 with the older drive shafts. Okay, so there you go. That's that. Pretty cool. Sorry about that. So that's my unboxing today. Make sure to subscribe and watch all the other videos. There's the E-maxx. I already put on that I don't know what you call those. I don't know. Look it up. So put one on. I'll put the rest on this weekend or when I don't have homework. So let me get back to doing my homework, which I'm doing some over there on the computer. So yeah, I'll get back to doing my homework. If I have time, I'll put on the axles front and rear, and these axle carriers, I guess, with the boots. So yeah, sure to subscribe, and see you guys later.